What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MULN ticker symbol.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we broke this channel and it was a bearish channel, and this arrow shows a potential price target because this arrow is exactly the same from this range, and it might act exactly as a price target prediction. And I have to say that we have a very good reaction from this 200 exponential moving average. We broke it to the downside, but we broke it without any volume at all on extended hours. And then right after that we had very good bounce, and for now we had another reaction from this range. And let me show you one more technical sign. Right here on hourly time frame we had higher lows on RSI with the lower lows on the price action. And this pattern is a bullish divergence, and this divergence means that we might have a bounce to the upside. And it happened. And I have to say that it is a confluence with one of the fundamental news, and let me show you this news in detail. So, on their official website on March 28th, they posted this news: Mullen straightens balance sheet. And let me quote you this in details. Company expects to report in excess of $65 million in cash and cash equivalents when it files Form 10Q for the second quarter ending March 31st. And let me quote you this. We've made tremendous progress in key areas over the past 3 months, said David Missouri, CEO and chairman of Mullen Automotive. With the financing we received, we now have more than enough capital to execute on our commitments for 2022, including the start of the MULN 5 EV crossover program and continued development on the MULN 1 EV cargo van program. The company's balance sheet is the strongest it has ever been in our history. And definitely this statement was very excited for a lot of retail investors, and that is why, let me show you on stocktweets.com website, we have MULN ticker symbol on the 4th place on the most active section, and on the watchers section it is on the 9th place. So it still has some momentum from StockTweets community, and let me show you that on apewisdom.io, and this website tracks the activity on Wall Street Bets community related to different assets. And right here we can see on the 13th place Mullen Automotive, but it lost 9 rows. And as you can see, the momentum is diminishing right now, and the only reason why we have this movement to the upside from its lowest point to its highest point for about 30%, and then we have some consolidation phase right here, is this one. And it is their cash and cash equivalents for the first quarter of this year. And for now we don't have any information what is the source of this money, and definitely for more clarity we have to know what is the source, and if it is some kind of private or public offering we should know it, because it leads to some dilution of existing shareholders, and definitely it is not the best sign. But it also might be some kind of loan or another type of financing, like a huge contract that has quite significant amount, and that includes the development of some cargo vans right here, as you can see, and their 5 EV crossover. And that is why this news is only short-term news in my opinion. But with this news, let me show you that this article that was published 5 days ago on investorplace.com, and that is titled "Avoid Mullen Automotive as it faces serious cash problems." This article, the main problem of this article is pretty much eliminated, because right here you can find that they had only $360 in cash on their balance sheet. But right here, let me show you that this is their official statement on sec.gov website, and cash and cash equivalents is $360 only. And for now they will have, as they stated, about $65 million in cash and cash equivalents. So definitely we should wait for their official Q1 2022 results, because we should see this number by ourselves, and that is why this might be only the short-term catalyst for this asset, and that is why we don't have much higher spike in price during last session, and we don't have enough volume during this spike, as you can see. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you in a bigger picture that we still have this ABC correction in play until we won't break this previous swing high. And I marked this red line as a resistance. Let me show you, and I marked this line by pulling the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this bottom, and we have this range of 0.236 as a first range of resistance that the asset might hit in order to unload this structure to the downside. And we have ABC correction, perfect ABC correction, probable it might be the case, because if a wave consists 5-wave structure in it, it is absolutely identical with the first, second and third wave on an impulsive wave to the upside. And this means we have to have a much higher price target with our fifth wave, and the case might be like this. This is our first, second, third, fourth and fifth. And if it is the case, and I don't need this one, we might hit higher targets. But for now I have a lot of doubts about this price action. Let me show you in details what we should expect. First of all, we have very good sign that we didn't break the previous swing high, and technically we don't have any overlapping in our fourth wave on the territory of the first one, and if we won't break it in upcoming sessions, we still have decent possibilities to hit higher targets with the fifth wave. But first of all, let me show you that we have to see some kind of increase in volume with the movement to the upside. And if we want to break this previous bottom, and we won't break the $2 price point as our first support, definitely we should break this range of resistance at $2.79, because in this case, let me show you in details on a smaller scale, we might have this is our A wave, and we have 3-wave structure in it. This might be our B wave with a truncated C wave inside it, but we have 3 waves in it. And we have, let me show you, 1, 2, 3, 4, and probably we might have one more leg to the downside. And if we will break this range, it will confirm the movement to the downside, and it will confirm this ABC correction. But if we will see the price action that will break this range of resistance, and we will have a huge volume with this movement to the upside, definitely in this case this asset might be more bullish than bearish, and we might hit higher targets. Next price target might be right here at this range of resistance. It is $3.59, roughly $3.5 price point, and the recent swing high of $4.13. And I have to say that we might hit the range of from $4 to $4.13 if we will have enough steam to hit higher targets. So, I think from a technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God